Those with data and AI skill sets may be the most in demand over the next several years, especially within the Salesforce ecosystem, where AI and data are two of the three pillars moving forward. It was earlier in 2023 when I began seeing CRM plus data plus AI within all Salesforce's marketing. And then around September, in line with Dreamforce, the two newest Salesforce certifications became available, the Data Cloud Consultant and AI Associate. My goal is to help you in your Salesforce journey. Thus, I thought it might be helpful to compare these two new certifications and help you to determine if you should care about either of them. At a base level, I think both are relevant. As I already said, these are two areas that Salesforce seems to want to invest heavily in for the foreseeable future. Whether there is actual demand from clients of Salesforce is yet to be seen, or at least what level that demand will be. I did some research on my own, and if you stick around, I will compare the demand, the cost, and the professional value of these two certifications. I will also provide a resource where I recommend the order you should pursue different Salesforce certifications in. Let's talk about demand. I used advanced search operators across multiple job listing sites to find job descriptions that included the Salesforce AI Associate certification as a desirable skill or even mentioned it anywhere in the posting. And drumroll please, I found 0. When I performed the same style of search to find job descriptions meeting Salesforce Data Cloud, I found hundreds. There was a clear distinction between the two and which one currently has more demand. Now, there is a chance I missed some for the AI certification, but even if I did, this is clearly not an in-demand certification that recruiters or hiring managers care about, and I don't think it was meant to be such. I spent 26 hours on Trailhead preparing for this certification and passed the exam, and can tell you it wasn't really focused on Salesforce capabilities or implementation, and in some ways was more so directed at Salesforce customers. The Data Cloud certification is much more technical and is more directed at consultants and implementers, which is what leads there to be more demand for this certification. Before we move on, hit subscribe below so that I can continue to bring you helpful Salesforce content. What about cost? Are they comparable? Well, the AI exam costs $75 and the preparatory trail mix is 26 hours long, while the Data Cloud exam costs a standard $200 and the trail mix is only 15 hours. On top of this, the retake for the AI exam is free, while the Data Cloud retake is $100. With demand and cost comparisons out of the way, which certification will have the best ROI, or which one is a better value? It is a simple answer for me. The Data Cloud Consultant certification. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I do think that both are relevant and will only increase in the importance over the next couple of years. But if you want to choose one to focus on first, I'd recommend focusing on the Data Cloud certification. It will always be in more job descriptions, less people will have it because it costs more and is a harder exam and more technical, and it actually focuses on implementation of a specific product. It will set you apart more than the AI Associate certification will. I think you need to know the content of the AI Associate certification for the future of Salesforce, but the Data Cloud Consultant certification can get you in more doors. Still, both would be nice if you can swing it. I have a free crash course for each of these certifications linked down in the description, where I take what I learned in the 15+ hours of Trailhead and distill it down to an hour or less for you. So if you want to pursue either, take some time to review that video. If you want to know my thoughts on other Salesforce certifications and which order you should pursue them in, download my free resource down in the description. As always, please leave a like and subscribe to help me out. Thanks for spending some of your time with me. See you again next time.